Guys, welcome to another weekly. We are here in another property, special property as well, by the way. And started renovations on this last week. Chimney breast is out, as you can see. First thing that we did. Got a bit of an issue though, because it's only a single skim now. Can't really tell what's going on there. Plaster has just been. We've just had a quote off them. They're going to plaster the whole of that wall, plaster the ceiling. That wall there, where it says remove, will be knocked out Saturday. So it's Monday today. That'll be knocked out Saturday. We was going to remove this wall, but we've changed our mind. We're keeping it. And then if you come through here, we are having kitchen fitted and then bathroom. Actually, come in here and have a look at this. We've tried to pull the tiles off. Some of the lads tried to do it. Obviously, this is gonna have to be re-skimmed. It's gonna have to be boarded. So this has got to be done in here now. Ensuite also has to be done. We have been in the loft. We went upstairs in the loft. Who came? The structural engineer went up in the loft this morning because he's trying to calculate what beams and sizes and all that kind of stuff we need for the paperwork. So he's done that today as well. This will all be plastered. The whole room will be plastered. Every room in here actually does have to be plastered. And then if you come downstairs into the kitchen will be fitted all around here into the new kitchen diner or something like that. And yeah, so this is what we're doing on Monday morning, getting this all sorted. Plaster has been, electrician's coming at 4 o'clock. So we have a one-on-one mentoring with Nick Dimmel and his wife. That's at 12 o'clock, so that's in 45 minutes. I'll keep you guys updated because I am actually lost to what's going on. It's such a busy Monday. So guys, see you at the office.
Right, doing this.
Yes.
Doing this Monday morning.
Currently working on a couple of, that's awkward, I tried to put my leg up there. Currently trying to sort out a few thumbnails for the YouTube videos. Obviously it's a big part of it as well because it's the thing that people see first and if they want to click on the video or not. So I'm not quite used to making them, but try and make them colourful and just try and make them stand out amongst the rest.
So what have you been up to this morning?
Yep, so we've been working on a few things. One of the videos that we've been going through at the moment is Mr. Leon and Sahil, which is still in the process. We've got to wait until obviously the refurb and things like that are done, then we can put the two parts together. Also, we've got a new video going out on the IGTV for Steve, if I can find it. Yeah, so this is just going to give you guys an overview as to like what's part of one of Steve's masterclasses. Obviously, he provides 3 of them, guys. Make sure you sign up to him because, you know, like, Steve's an actual property king. He's not just a guy who just talks about it. He does what he practices, what he preaches, you know. So, yeah, there'll be a video going out explaining what the different masterclasses are. There's 2 more to go out just yet. One will be out today. And, yeah, we've got a busy week ahead, so, well, get it cracking.
Okay, so this is Brimwigan, also known as Bringwin. I pronounce it Brimwigan anyway.
Easier that way.
It's easier that way. Have you met the builder on this, you?
Yeah, I've met him once.
And he sent over pictures of his work and we've done our due diligence on it. So this guy has sent us a quote over and the quote is at the bottom, 30,000. And for £30,000, he's ripping the whole house out, including skips, replace the front and back door, supply and fit a new kitchen, supply and fit a new bathroom, full plaster the whole house, paint the house throughout, supply and fit 6 internal doors, supply and fit new woodwork throughout, which is the skirting and the architrave, supply and fit new flooring throughout, this tiles in the bathroom and kitchen, laminate in lounge, carpet on stairwell, landing and bedrooms, fit new banisters, remove the fireplace that's there, replace handrails on stairs with something more modern. That's £30,000. He started work today. Today's date is the 18th of October. So he's been there. He stripped half the house out and he's encountered a couple of issues in the kitchen. The cladding, the paneling, the cladding that was on the walls. Once he's ripped it off, he's uncovered a few issues. He sent a couple of pictures in the group chat.
I did see a bit, so when I met him with Tom in the kitchen, by the roof that leads into the garden on the side by the paneling, there was a lot of dampness.
Yeah, there's loads of damp.
Yeah,
that video shows it today.
Yeah.
There's an old boiler unit behind there.
Oh, yeah,
and I think they've just, it's leaked and they've just covered it up, the old owners. So we wasn't planning on going down to this house till Friday.
Yeah, Friday.
He's messaged us asking if we can go tomorrow morning. We need to be there for 9 AM because he has a kitchen person coming at 9:30. So plans changed, as you can see. We have the plan of the week on the board. And now we're having to change tomorrow's plans because we was going up north, our properties up there, because 2 of our renovations have started and the builders up there wanted to see us as well. And then also we've got the other house, which you guys have just seen in the weekly, where we need people there. So the week's changed within an hour. It isn't easy, but it's fun and we love what we do. So we'll sort this out and speak to you guys in a little bit.
Right, so just got out of the meeting with Steve. It's the one you saw in the last clip. As you've heard, there was issues with the builder in the kitchen area. Something else that they said as well, which I'm not sure if you've heard, all the electric and the gas has been cut off. So that means that they can't plug in the power tools to start do their job really. So I've had to call up the energy supplier, get all that sorted. So everything's back on now. They were able to crack on with the job. So that was something I needed to sort out, calling the suppliers. Just gonna have some lunch now, and then I'm gonna catch up with Steve and go over everything else, because there's quite a lot that needs to be done this week. But yeah, that's the update.
Just finished our one-on-one mentoring with Nick and his wife. 2 hours, now and a half, 2 hours, went really well. Really enjoyed it actually. And then we had SSE in our property in the Valleys in Wales say that we are £46 in debt from the previous owners and our builders can't turn their power tools on. So Rob has dealt with it. So we had £15 credit, but the builders have found a massive hole in the wall behind the units where an old boiler was, and it's leaked. So they want us there at 9 o'clock in the morning. So we have to leave here at 6 a.m. to get there. It's completely thrown our week out because we was going up north, but now we're going that way. What way is that?
West.
I was asking Phil. We are going west-south.
Southwest.
No, why do you have to? I like west-south, it sounds better. We are going west-south tomorrow morning, 6 a.m, early start. All the boys are going to be notified in a minute who needs to come. You're staying, aren't you? Because you've got a lot to do. You've got a lot to do tomorrow. So yeah, and now I have to go back to the other house that you saw earlier on in the vlog, because we're meeting a electrician, and the plasterer actually that we met this morning charged us £800. And for £800, he is boarding and skimming the chimney breast and insulating it as well. He's doing the bedroom ceiling, he's doing the living room ceiling, and he's doing 2 wardrobe spaces. And he's charged us £800 for materials and labour, and he's starting tomorrow morning and he should be finished on Friday. That was a referral from a friend who knew that we needed this house doing this week, and this plasterer has dropped every single thing he has on to help us. Not what you know, it's who you know sometimes. So we're very fortunate in that sense. And we're very fortunate in the sense that actually an electrician's coming at 4 o'clock today and a painter and decorator's coming. All of this was organised over the weekend. So very happy with that. So now let's go to that house. Back at the house, meeting the electrician. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, short notice. Do you want to run the B-roll while I talk to him? Ending the vlog, guys. It is now time for home. I need dinner, still not feeling great. Electrician's been, he's took all the measurements, everything we want doing, all the spotlights, all the power points, that's plug sockets and everything. He has took a full list. He said he's gonna get me a quote over tonight. Start the work Thursday if we want it done and the price is right. So yeah, this is gonna be a really cool house that I'm gonna show you on how we transform this from 1970s to modern, whatever you call it, but it's gonna be amazing. So I think that's all of it, but you're gonna see the whole day tomorrow, guys. So signing out. So we are on Wednesday. Yesterday didn't go according to plan. Things changed. We never went to Wales. Rob went there today. So today we are in London, Mayfair. We have one meeting with John Lico and a meeting with Serena and her mom. So join us and see what we talk about. Hotel, and we're waiting for Lico to come. He needs some help with his property journey starting out. If you don't know who Lico is, we'll put his tag here somewhere so you guys can see who he is. I've known him since he was very young. He's a really good friend of my nephew's as well. So hopefully we can sort something out, help him out, point him in the right direction. And then we have Serena and her mother, who is another, well, not a footballer, but a football agent. And then after that, we're gonna have a little tour of London because Philip When was the last time he was here? 10 years ago. So we might do a little tour for Philip and round the day off, depending on what time it is. So guys, yeah, this is a day in the life. Another day, guys, 2 videos today. Brad Bullingmore's house in Kings Heath, Gershie's house in Warsaw. 52 grand profit in this one. I think it's a 35 grand profit in the second one. So yeah, another day, guys. This is what we do. Also, we have the Christmas networking event. That is on the 4th of December, which is a Saturday evening, 7:30 till late in Sutton Coldfield. It's £75 a ticket, guys. That's a 3-course meal. All your drinks are included. There's 100 people. It's going to be the biggest one we've done. It's the last one we're doing for the whole of the year as well. So make sure you guys are there. Shoot number 2, guys, of the day. We're at Gershie's house, just been to Brad's house. £40,000 profit. I'm going to keep saying it because it's incredible. But come on, guys, come take a look at what we're doing. Another weekly finish, guys. Just finished up at Gershie's house. £40,000 profit. Keep an eye out for that video because it's really cool. And it's in Warsaw, which is kind of like not far from where I grew up, so it's an area that I know really well. It's been a bit of a struggle this week, I'm not gonna lie. Had a cold, been really busy, run down as well, which doesn't help. So the weekly hasn't been as exciting as it should be, but you get to see the real side of what we do, guys. I've got to go now to meet some builders in Willenhall because they are renovating a house there for us. Gonna get some quotes, start that journey. Tomorrow I'm up north, which you guys will see in next week's weekly. Tomorrow's a really good day actually because there's a lot going on tomorrow. And then Wednesday we are at a property networking event. So there's loads and loads for you guys to see. Luke Moriarty is looking outside the window trying to get in on the weekly as usual with his cool hogs. Put a little thing up here for him with his cool hogs. But yeah guys, that's the weekly over and out and I will catch you next week.